friends are meeting after a really long time, and how do they celebrate? Well, it's definitely not going to be the usual celebration, not when we are here to plan a special getaway for them. A short drive from Mysore city, a forest camp situated right by the banks of the river Kaveri, offering a window seat to the lush forests of Karnataka. Coming up next on this getaway. Namaskara! Today I'm in Mysore city, the cultural capital of Karnataka and a popular tourist destination. You have to see and experience this city at least once. But I'm here with a different agenda. I'm here to plan a quick and much needed getaway for Manu and his friend Pran, who happen to call this city home. So let's go meet them. So Manu, tell me something about yourself.
Well, actually, I work for the IT industry, so getting free time is
Very rare.
very, very rare. Okay, I'm doing my part-time MTech, so most of my weekends will be busy with studies, and so once I get a weekend, maybe chilling out with friends, going for a drive or something like that. That will be the most ideal choice.
When you're planning a getaway, what do you plan?
If I'm going for the next getaway, it will be mostly something serene, soothing. In the meanwhile, I don't want it to be too much calm and composed, so that it will actually make me lazy to go back to office the next day.
Oh, so you have to find the right balance there, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so you obviously know I'm here to plan a getaway for you.
yeah.
But are you going to bring a friend along or something, or are you going to come alone?
Well, actually, one of my friend is coming over to Mysore after a couple of months, so it'll be best if I can just pull him over.
You were planning a trip with him yourself?
We had a plan to go a couple of months back, but it didn't work out. So
Oh, very good. Then that's a perfect situation. Does he know that I'm here to plan a trip for
no,
him?
not till now.
Oh, so it's going to be a surprise.
He'll be here in another 15 to 20 minutes, I guess.
That's
so
great.
let's give him a small surprise.
We will. It's going to be a surprise for you too, because I'm not going to tell you where I'm taking you.
Sonika.
Nice to meet you.
I've heard so much about you.
Acha?
Yeah, Pran, I'm sure you didn't expect me to be here.
No.
Before I tell you exactly why I'm here, I'd like to know a little about you.
I'm a mechanical engineer, basically, yeah. And then I got into IT, the normal way everybody does these days because of the society, you know. And then, I was in Germany for 2 years. So being in Germany, the best part was like traveling around Europe. So,
Of course.
so did a bit of traveling there, a lot of places. Like I was in Spain, I was in Italy, Croatia was the longest drive it took.
You like driving?
Oh, I love driving. So
I'd like to shake your hand on that. I love driving too.
yeah, photography was something that I really liked. I was pretty much interested in that because travel and photography obviously kind of go hand in hand.
So you left career for passion basically.
Yes.
I think that's the best choice you've made in your
Absolutely,
entire life.
absolutely.
That's what people should do. Follow their passion. Right?
Absolutely, yeah.
When you do get free time,
Yes.
how do you enjoy yourself?
Hang out with friends. Sometimes intellectual friends. So the-
Sometimes intellectual
no,
friends.
many a times. So
Both of us have planned to plan a getaway.
Oh,
Since
nice.
he doesn't get free time and you guys are meeting after a long time, so I'm going to take some time off, plan a quick getaway that hopefully you all will both enjoy.
which I guess will involve driving. So
Yes,
you love
of
driving.
course. That's why that was your hint. I love driving. You love driving. We're both going to be driving somewhere.
That's going to be fantastic. Kind
So
of.
it's always nice to catch up with old friends, and what's even better is when you're taking a long road trip together. Pack your bags, and I'm going to see you all tomorrow.
All right.
It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I'm all set to hit the road. My first stop will be the Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary, which is just a few kilometers outside the city. Both my guests and I are driving the Škoda Rapid, a wonderful car that's suited for both city as well as out of city driving.
8 o'clock. I also woke up at 5:30.
I usually tend to enjoy my drive only once I hit the highway, but today I seem to be enjoying my drive right from the city. It's 7 in the morning and I haven't experienced any traffic. I've noticed people going for their morning walk while I'm enjoying my morning drive.
Quite a surprise and an unplanned trip this was. I didn't expect this though to happen.
And we'll see that whether we can do some adventure sports or something there.
The boys have decided to indulge in some adventure sports before setting off on their getaway. So I have planned a short break for them at the Hawk Adventure Park before heading out to their getaway destination.
Only accelerator and brake. Others nothing, anything.
Leaving the boys to their adrenaline break, I set forth towards the bird sanctuary. I had heard a lot about this place, and since the sanctuary was just a stone's throw away from Mysore city, I had to drop by and have a look. The Rangantithu Bird Sanctuary is one of the 3 islands in the Kaveri River. The avian wildlife here is best seen in the early morning or late afternoon on a short boat ride. I hope I am lucky and get to see some of these winged beauties since the season has started. My trip to the bird sanctuary was quite interesting, and though I didn't see a lot of birds, especially the migratory visitors this park is really famous for, I did get to say hello to one of the residents of the park, who was incidentally sunbathing on his favorite rock. I left from the bird sanctuary and got back on the Mysore Bypass Road. Headed to State Highway 88 and my next pit stop, the BPCL petrol pump at Kushal Nagar. I've reached the BPCL petrol pump at Kushal Nagar on State Highway 88 on my way to the Bare. I can't see the boys here yet, so I guess they're still having fun at the Hawk Adventure Park. I think I'm going to fuel up my car till they get here. This outlet is a PFS certified fully automated outlet, has a smart fleet facility for cashless transactions, and if you look around, it's so spick and span. I love such fueling stations. Oh, the boys are finally here. Hi.
Hi.
Hi boys, good morning.
Good morning.
How has your morning been so far?
Oh, fantastic morning.
What have you all done? Tell me. I know you all done some exciting things, but tell me.
Much awaited drive and a wonderful coffee. I would say the perfect start for the getaway.
How have the roads been so far?
Oh, roads are really good.
Really good roads, right?
Good roads.
Yeah, I enjoyed myself driving
The car
too.
was really good too.
The car is superb. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's amazing to drive. Yeah, I know you guys had fun. I had fun too, but tell me what you did and I'll tell you what I did.
Oh, it was ATVs, and
I'm so jealous.
I think the stretch was around 4 kilometers inside. The track is really good. Oh, it was a mud track and like really rough. So
Too much of dust, but it was fun.
But good fun, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
So
How
I
was yours?
heard it was good. Yeah, I've heard a lot about this sanctuary.
Okay.
So I wanted to make sure I went
Did you
there.
find some birds there?
Amazing different birds. I saw huge crocodiles, which I haven't seen so closely before. So yeah, it was good fun for me too.
Did you
But
get a
we have the rest of the getaway to spend together, and our destination isn't very far right
do
now.
I get to know what is my
Why don't you just follow me? Let's not waste any time. Let's hit the road. Come. After leaving the BPCL petrol pump, we drove on, passing the Kaveri temple and the Dubare circle, and got on to the Siddhapur road, also known as State Highway 91. In another 16 kilometers or so, we took a left on this road. Drove about 2 kilometers down the road and reached the banks of the river Kaveri, where Mr. Abdul, our friendly boatman, was waiting to ferry us across the river to our final destination, Dubare Elephant Camp. A quick boat ride and we were at our jungle camp, super excited but a bit famished. So we all had a quick lunch before setting off on a jungle safari that I had planned for Manu and Pran. The Dubare Elephant Camp adjoins the Dubare Reserve Forest. Spanning 14,000 acres across 110 kilometers, these deciduous forests are home to many wild elephants, sambar, bear, spotted deer, leopards, wild dogs, the gaur and even the tiger.
Vertical fish, poison trees. This tree, sir, the first one.
But it's a jungle. Here, every moment is fleeting and you have to understand these are wild animals. They have evolved to stay away from prying eyes. Sighting even the biggest creatures in here is like searching for a needle in a haystack. And we were lucky to actually stumble into a solitary bull Indian gaur who actually graced us by delaying his evening snack. While exciting the reserve forest, we did catch a few elephants, only to realize these ones were tame rehabilitated old tuskers. It was dark by the time we got back to our lodge, so after quickly freshening up, we met at dinner. How have you enjoyed your surprise so far?
Oh yeah, it was.
Think it's worth it?
Yeah, definitely.
Manu's plan to surprise you?
Yeah, definitely worth it. But then again, I think I'm a little unlucky when it comes to safari, I must say.
We did see a few.
Yeah, the elephants.
The
at end
elephants,
of it,
the
of
elephants,
course.
yeah,
Up
correct.
close, so close.
But tomorrow is what you should look forward to. If you're saying up close with the elephants, I'm going to take you even closer.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Are you enjoying your dinner? I think the food here is great, yeah?
food is great.
Food is really good.
Now that was a wonderful dinner. And the weather outside is perfect to crawl under a warm blanket and snooze off. So I'm going to hit the sack now. But you stay tuned. Tomorrow morning, my guests and I are going to get up close with the gentle giants that call this part of the forest home, and after whom this camp is named.